Shweta Goswami, infertility specialist in Delhi, India. With this COVID-19 situation and coronavirus cases increasing, I know all of us are feeling overwhelmed. A lot of us are feeling frustrated with total lack of control on what's happening. We are concerned about the health of our own ourselves, our family, our senior members of the family. And at the same time, a lot of us are also wanting to plan pregnancy. And we're just overwhelmed with the situation and we don't know which way to go. I've been getting a lot of questions and queries from my patients, and I thought I'd just make a short video to try and answer some of the commonly asked questions by patients who are contemplating pregnancy and are trying for fertility. The first question, a common question that I'm being asked is, does corona have an impact on fertility? Does the virus affect fertility? Should we be trying in this period? So to answer that question, I'd like to say that whatever limited research and evidence that we have, it doesn't seem to show that the virus per se has a direct impact on fertility. It's the other way around. What we are really concerned about right now is that people who get pregnant, women who get pregnant, they are at a higher risk of developing severe infection because they come in the so-called high-risk group, pregnancy being a state of immunosuppression. We don't have very clear data on that either. There is no clear evidence to show that pregnant women are having worse outcomes in infection if they do develop COVID-19. But from previous infections, experience that we have, it would be good to defer pregnancy or at least try active treatment till the whole situation comes under control. Another question being asked in the same context is that we've been planning treatments like IVF, and now what do we do about that? When are we planning to start those treatments? Now, we've had recommendations from a lot of our societies internationally as well as in India. We have FOGSI guidelines, ASRM and ESHRE, and they all tend to opine on the same thing, that till the COVID situation is in control, we do not want to start active medical treatment, and there are a couple of reasons for that. One, as I just mentioned, we do not want active pregnancy treatment because we do not know the impact that the COVID is going to have on pregnant females. Second, because of the lockdown and all happening, we just went on to finish off the people who were already in active treatment, the women who were under stimulation, and then to freeze embryos, because again, we do not want to get into embryo transfers at this stage. It requires a lot of monitoring after that. We need to do a couple of blood tests, we need ultrasounds, we need medications for a couple of months, and the situation is so uncertain right now that we do not know which way we are headed. Another reason of concern for us is that IVF treatment is going to be a 3-week long treatment, and with the lockdowns happening off and on, you do not want to get in the lurch of being halfway into treatment and then suddenly not go further. So these are some of the reasons because of which, for a temporary point in time, we are trying to not start active treatment. At the same time, I would like to also point out that pre-IVF treatment is very important for us. We want at least 1 or 2 months prior that our body should get ready, and this is the perfect time for us to do that. We can take supplements, we can focus on diet, exercise, yoga, and we have a lot of online programs going on for that. And that should be actually ideal for us, and it should get us ready for active treatment. The next important common question that is being asked is by the patients who have a number of embryos frozen and they're concerned that are our embryos safe? Is there any concern to the frozen embryos? So I would like to allay your anxiety there and say that no, embryo freezing is very much on. There is a protocol in place for which the top-up is done, and they're absolutely safe. The corona or the COVID situation does no harm to that. So I'm getting a lot of calls regarding that, but I would like to allay your anxiety that do not worry. They are safe and we're good to go. Even if it takes us a couple of months, the embryo freezing process does not change at all. So the embryo freezing and the thawing is the only process. In between, the time duration does not matter. So we understand your concern that your pregnancy is getting deferred because we're not able to do active treatment, we're not doing frozen embryo transfers right now, but the frozen embryos are absolutely safe, so do not worry about that. And what about if one of the partners is COVID-19 positive? It's a rare scenario still, but it's still being asked. The answer to that would be that we are very clear on that no, you must not be trying. One, because of the COVID-19 transmission that can happen, and two, again, we do not know the impact of the virus on pregnancy and fertility. And therefore, it would be good to abstain and not try in that cycle for sure. There is no drug shortage that we know of that is happening, but because IVF and especially frozen embryo transfers, it's very important for the pregnancy to be supported on medications, and therefore it would be a good idea to stock up 2 months of medications at least, so that we do not run out of it, along with the SOS medications which we might need during bleeding, like some progesterone injections. And in the end, I would also like to say that with the corona situation, we may not be moving out, but online consultations are a big boon. And therefore, we must be in contact with our doctors so that we can keep taking advice from time to time, how to prepare ourselves, how to try naturally in this period. And online consultations therefore can really help in us getting mentally allayed that there's no issue, and we can prepare to get ourselves ready to get into active treatment in case natural treatments do not work out at the time being. I wish all of you all the very best. I would say that there's a silver lining in every cloud. Let's take this opportunity to get prepared in for fertility treatments, to trying naturally. More and more couples are getting more time to spend with each other. Let's take the benefit out of the situation and be prepared for the worst, that in case things do not work out naturally in this period, our body is better prepared for taking treatments like IVF and IUI. All the very best, and get in touch with us if you have any other queries.